In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here, we'll walk through how to share a Xero Analytics dashboard that updates itself using rolling date periods, so your stakeholders always see the most current numbers without you lifting a finger. First, log into Xero with an account that has access to the dashboard you want to share. From the main navigation, click Reporting. This opens the reporting area where Xero groups analytics tools. Next, select Dashboards to view the list of dashboards available to you. Open your dashboard report. Take a moment to confirm the tiles and filters reflect the metrics you care about, things like cash flow, sales, or expenses. Getting the right layout now ensures the shared view is useful and uncluttered. Now click Share Dashboard. You'll usually find this near the top right. In the Sharing panel, enable Dashboard Sharing. Turning this on creates a link that displays a read-only version of your dashboard. Remember, anyone with this link can view the data that appears on the shared dashboard, so share it thoughtfully and keep it within trusted audiences. Next, select Rolling Date. Rolling dates automatically shift the reporting window forward. Think last 7 days, last 30 days, or month to date. So the dashboard stays fresh each time someone opens it. Choose the dashboard report frequency that best matches your audience's needs. For fast-moving metrics, a daily or weekly cadence keeps trends visible. For higher-level reviews, monthly or quarterly periods cut down on noise. Pick the period that mirrors how your team makes decisions. Review the rolling date settings before finalizing. Double-check the period length, that the correct date field is driving your tiles, and that any dashboard-level filters won't conflict with your rolling window. If your organization spans regions, confirm the time zone settings align with your reporting standard. If you need to share the dashboard externally or drop it into a message, copy the dashboard sharing link. Store it where your team can find it, and plan to update or revoke it if your access or audience changes. Finally, click Open Shared Link to preview the dashboard. This opens the same view your recipients will see, letting you verify that figures, charts, and date labels all reflect the intended rolling period. That's it. With these settings, you've created a dynamic Xero Analytics dashboard that automatically updates based on rolling date periods, delivering timely insights with zero manual refresh.